Hello.
Hey.
Zimperium, am I saying
Yes.
it correct? Okay. What's your service? What are you doing at Droidcon?
Yeah, in one sentence, we protect mobile applications. So, and that means several different aspects of the mobile applications. We can obfuscate the mobile application to prevent reverse engineering. We can add integrity protection to the application so that attackers can't modify the application neither statically nor at runtime. We add also protections against running applications in hostile environments such as rooted devices, jailbroken devices. And we can also protect cryptographic keys that the application uses inside, so you can actually do cryptographic operations in hostile environments where attackers have full control over, and still the keys can't be seen in the clear. And we can also protect applications even before they are released by scanning the application for known vulnerabilities in the used SDKs. And at runtime, we also have the capability to detect hostile applications, malware that are running on the same device, and we can report those threats to the backend server, either our server or your
Okay,
server.
cool. So many services. Let's start with cryptographic. How do you help with that? How does it work?
All right, yeah, so we supply so-called white box cryptography library. And white box cryptography means that it's a cryptographic implementation that is secure against attackers that have full control over the device. Attackers can read each bit in memory, they can stop execution, they can change whatever they want. And the purpose of white box cryptographic library is to still protect the keys against attackers being able to extract them. So keys and algorithms are mathematically transformed in a manner so that the keys can be used at runtime without ever revealing them in the clear. So mathematics is involved to do this protection, and we don't need any special hardware or operating system support to do it. It's purely software.
Cool. Regarding reverse engineering, you mentioned you help with obfuscation.
Yes.
But what's the advantage of your obfuscation over ProGuard and Android R8?
That's a good question. Actually, ProGuard and R8, they essentially rename class names and packages. What we do, we obfuscate the program logic. So we do things like code flattening, where we turn your business logic, which contains some branching and some loops, into a flat switch statement which doesn't reveal any logical structure of your program, and some things similar like that. So in fact, our product is complementary to what ProGuard and R8 does, and we suggest to actually use them both together.
Okay. Also regarding runtime protection, what are the measures? As an Android developer, can I shut down the app, or what should I do?
Yes, so that's one of our products is able to detect some runtime threats, such as running on a rooted device, or debugger being present, or Android debugging being enabled. You can specify by setting certain policies what happens when such a threat is detected. You can do nothing, you can crash the application, you can report the activity to the backend, and then you as a customer could see what's going on all the applications in the field. So it's customizable and it's changeable during runtime also. Okay,
cool. And I see lots of security companies this year at Droidcon.
Yeah.
What's going on?
Yeah, I'm surprised too, because when I checked the previous conferences, there were not so many security companies. But this year, it seems that all of us have somehow decided to join this conference. And also, judging by the responses from the visitors, it seems that the developers are getting more and more aware of the need for security. And it's really great to talk with people who actually will have to implement these security measures so that they know a little bit better what can be done when their boss comes to them and says, hey, I need this to be secure. So I'm glad that we are all here so we can give the developers can make some informed choices about which security products to use when.
Yeah, I think as an Android developer, it's nice to have someone by your side who is expert in security.
And that's true, because security is hard. Exactly. Especially in some fields like white box cryptography, it's really, really hard, and you can't do it yourself. So it takes a lot of time and knowledge to implement some such measures, and we are here to help.
Thank you so much.
Good.
Thanks for the help.
Thank you.